Hey everybody, a company called Anear sent me these Innoo wire strippers to review, and I said sure, and because I have some telephone line I'm going to be putting in my house, and so let's give it a try. Okay, for my first test I'm going to test out the cutting capabilities here, and I'm just going to put my phone wire in there, just like that. And it cuts smooth, so that's good. And now I'll strip it. Okay, to separate the wires from the sleeve, just place the wire in there like that, as you can see. And see these clamp down and give it a squeeze. And there you go. All the wires are separated and good to go. Okay, after getting the sleeve off, I'll just put it in my other wire cutters here and poke it through just like that. Clamp it, and there we go. Nice clean cut. Well, wrapping this video up, these did exactly what they're supposed to do, and I like them, so I give it 5 stars. So that's all for this video, and take care everybody.